Hey there, folks. Welcome back to our channel, where we break down everyday essentials to make your life a little easier. Today, we're diving into something super practical: how to check your food stamp balance for 2025. If you're part of the SNAP program, knowing your balance is key to managing your groceries and staying on top of your benefits. Don't worry, I'll walk you through this step by step, so you can do it quickly and without any hassle. First off, let's talk about the most convenient way: online. Head over to your state's official SNAP website. It's usually something like yourstate.gov/SNAP. Once you're there, you'll need to log in with your account details. If you haven't set up an account yet, look for a Register or Create Account button. After logging in, navigate to the Benefits or Account Summary section, and bam! Your current food stamp balance will be right there on the screen. This method is fast and lets you check anytime, day or night. If you're more of an app person, download the official SNAP mobile app from your app store. Most states have one, like EBT Edge or something similar for 2025 updates. Open the app, sign in with your credentials, and you'll see your balance front and center. Pro tip: enable notifications so you're alerted when your benefits are loaded. Not tech savvy? No problem. You can check by phone. Just call the toll-free number on the back of your EBT card. It's usually 1-888-XXX4X, but double-check yours. Follow the automated prompts. Enter your card number and PIN, and it'll tell you your balance over the phone. For in-person help, visit your local SNAP office or any authorized retailer, like a grocery store, and they can assist you on the spot. Remember, processes might vary slightly by state, so always verify with your local agency. If you run into issues, like a forgotten PIN, contact customer service right away. They're there to help. There you have it, friends. Checking your food stamp balance in 2025 is straightforward and empowers you to manage your resources wisely. If this video helped, hit that like button, subscribe for more tips, and drop a comment below if you have questions. Thanks for watching, and see you in the next one.